This property is an apartment that we sold, but before it was not as pretty as it is now. The interior was very sad looking. It had everything in there to live: kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms, but it was really old. The building itself was good and it had a lot of potential, so we just needed to bring that out. After we sold this apartment to a client, they completely renovated it. The apartment may have been old, but it has beautiful Catalan features that gave it its own soul. So they kept the features like the original floor and ceiling. They also combined the features with Scandinavian interior design. Everything that you can see in the apartment afterwards was imported from Denmark. Scandinavian design is known for its use of wood, streamlined shapes, and simple silhouettes. Simplicity, functionality, and elegance, these are the basic aspects. Nature is often part of the inspiration. Sustainability is key. The design uses industrial components and has found roots in fashion, beauty, electronics, ceramics, and homeware, alongside furniture and products design. Catalan vault is a building technique that lays plain bricks lengthwise over the parallel wooden beams or centering to form an arch-shaped ceiling. Thanks to that, both the floor above and the ceiling itself will be able to distribute gravity forces equally to the whole construction system, thus bringing geometric flexibility and endurance of the structural floor surface. It is said that a very long time ago in the region, people stored tons of agricultural products on the top floor. So it is very important to have a heavily reinforced structure. Other Catalan features are the floors. They are generally made of baked clay, or as it is called, Catalan tuff. This typical tiled floor brings coolness in summer and it is warm and welcoming in winter. Despite its rural look and its simplicity, it is of a timeless charm. That is why we loved this apartment from the very first sight. We saw the original Catalan features and the potential of the Scandinavian design. They gave the room an authentic, rural, but at the same time stylish and remarkable atmosphere.